Sembebre nam. We say Otumfuo gold coin no for life long project and air can and a lighthouse asafono so de Manasa Zuri ni nipa bi akwakodina court on say ensem bi a watwerɛtwerɛ wa publish afa oni nipa bi a publish afa asafono ho wono so for panin mu ne ade no nti court ene betumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu na wode de ye ene de se ato de se wode to enti lighthouse de Manasa Zuri ene nipa bi akwakodina court ena Opuni Dr. Opuni ono so ne nsɛm a edakɔ Stephen Opuni koko ho nsɛm ne fertilizer ho nsɛm bi no natural say justice onega honenuga na sɛm no ɛkɔ yɛ sɛ yenyini firi mfa ne ntena pana no so ne ade no ɔkɔbio sɛnkodan so yɛase aboto agu nti justice no ɔbɛkɔ so atena asɛm no so ɛna delegate fam ha pa no ɛnra rehosɛm epieye akrɔmforɛmfoɔ ɛbɔ aprosifoɔ mienu tuo ɛwɔzo anugu no aprosifoɔ no prosi no ɔmo ho ɔfɛ Protifo kama Protifo Amrobe school no woman so emfoni ewa ha and MPs approved 2022 budget
Bafo Redramo
Sikana banana mutu
na sikanya makra na
so dan was dem
ani bi so chawo dia so betwa
hwe no atikwapa ministries were approve one day no ana Deputy Minister of Information so Fati Ediato West Africa electoral yiten niam bi ho ma ensem bo ha eba abatuo mu nsensem a yakeka kafa ma ekuo bi ne aban ho abatuo bi nya kwa wie pepepe na se ni so se wonye mu hwehwe mu na afi no nsem bi ensem fata omu no nyina no wonte ase ansa no betumu anamo a watumu anamo daily guide de eno Daily Statesman so Green Ghana okay say June money started doing no Forest Commission friends national security for hwehwemu no mo se nua na edua no 85% e de ehini from
85%
Daily Statesman enim Deputy Minister of Natural Resources and anifoni edahanmi 15% na chesa de bibia wo ho no mo na otwe wie de chese Kumasi sekrum ene hobeye butu osono amanyokuo no ana say all roads lead to Kumasi na chese ne omampani onwan obia ednani chire Kumasi Daily Statesman ana Metro Mass so aban so obeto buses bebre ama won na what they ayadwuma enti Daily Statesman the Herald ewa hanom de medi kan boss so Justice Honyenuga de no ewa hanom Opuni Nsem no eno ewa hanom na afi Snake enso so ama adwumayefo enyina ne adwumawuranom se enkopem 31 December na NI card ne numbers ne a wode merge with Snake numbers no na ye ready nyesa January e de kono salary ama nyobiana ayo nyobiana aye attaching housing contract drag before special prosecutor eno eda hanom na chese attaching abra na wo ye so afọ wo hwe edwuma ne adanse hunsem de contract ni nsem bi boss CEO enso so arrogant management poster no ena bi nso kan wasem so say emadwuma ifo no nyakoma pa emfe nye edwuma ena NLA enso so extend closing date 2021-2022 licensing year no wade akọ enimu kakra we Daily the Herald and the publisher so edie
well before my main for Adom Online in Tribuna fe fa ne aka no fato waso se ukọ adomonline.com enra Speaker of Parliament ofia kwantu mu bai na enra ena fe watwe krata atwe nsem aguso ena gotana na hye fie na wakasa pa wotre se majebeje fie ho no afa bi enante free fie ho a entrese djuma ensese ye no mrache beje fie ho no atosin anaye ntumi nye walkouts do not render parliament incapable eno no kwa Adom Online na benya bi na fi wakenkan Cote d'Ivoire mampani so yenyane ntie se beye nene nansane nrei oba Ghana ha ebesra Rollins abusuano ene former first lady Nana Akufo-Addo Rollins womo eko Bebia yesi omampani dada JJ Rawlings womo eko ne nano so ekopi respect and also so say oba adomonline.com sa story no edaha ena ya nua abednego akwesi asante asiedu and also so Adom Online de abetu in fact me am sure na pay no send him a link no and I congratulated him. Adom FM's abednego asante asiedu elected student leader at Norway's NLA University College enti eno so ya semda Abednego akwasi asante esi edu ene oye Norway burger oye Norway burger osua de e Norway A4 so tie nka yebo abaso you are making us proud nyame enka ho yada se papa ne adwuma so a wodie wo nyina so oye adwuma production ne ade nyina wo ginam akwasi asante esi edu nyame enka ho enti all this and more say we call adomonline.com entertainment sports di nyina no e wo hono abenya bi na afei wakenkan bafo
the Ghanaian publisher and so Manessa Zure ni nipa bia Lighthouse Chapel do akoko to no mfoni eda hanom yo Ra Sulemana Brima awoye Media Foundation for West Africa executive director no ka ho bia na Edwin Apia enso so mfoni eda ho nipa basan be ho ana mrase bedwam chia me pani wonim so aba bedu and right na dwam na ne okasai no say Bagbin justifies illegal action and accuses his deputy of insubordination. And what gender ministry so say and kwadan no ma me an wo gina kwa ho sere de no nyina wo be won afiri ho wo sere wade no amano abehwe no bo atinte so agu no abutu ka no atwi nani a kire wo
obi kura ho no ma okura countess ana ebo e won nsem to ama niska na ka no o free car ho no no de twere car no ho saa to be dufie no wo be mu se
but street view hormone judge na so enye
asanse dey
okay, so you say Honorable Sam George or Saudi and who bad experience. I see that I'm not my brother with few cry. So obi ye no one can say
okrabo enti bosu unya say okwachi ana debi me mouse ga bia na asa wo free car no ho no ano na wo no na ebo no kura no wo de tire car no ho twiri nti wa bedu fie no bo say yes ama part time
but street bi ho no ma ring road honmo any enje krokra dukunu na de ha dwempa ne se utra nya ye ene nkola no se de omo nam ho no ka je pa nso a wata nya sem enti ministry ni yuo mo de a omo nyu omo tentente na nya fe
ache
enti na the publisher Ghanaian publisher de enso so eno no
okay yanko yanim
then Chrisita wa ha o say Kumasi is on red alert VIP Alan supporters for showdown 2021 MPP 2021 delegates conference.
Munya botre ma.
Price of poultry to go up by more than 50% yewu. Then kwesito yasin kokonnam enko sua bro nyai. Say enti so turn 10 cedis say e be 20 cedis.
They were forced to know and say live no
na for poultry farmers on kran han Ghana han e kasa se de force weba. Wa ye be di bro you say emrantia na ye soso enkokọ okentem ni ade wa hu bi ehun framano no nti
say
akokọ last year we turn 25 this year fatu tim to turn 50 aden Poultry Farmers Association president na on church mu nchiro
oh yeah
nti dem kwesita dia o de enam no daily analyst wono so dia wa ha quorum is based on members present in parliament not in the chamber agbamba me na chire mu yi and a special prosecutor petition to investigate attaching and no san wa ha minister blames Mahama for delayed of completion of blocks
but for mamenko ahoma so unwie meba na men the national youth organizer of the ruling NPP Henry nabi lawyer Henry Nanabuache esanam na ne nanabi enei woko national organizer Nanabi Council
campaign manager
hey nana o da se mebo campaign manager no
campaign manager dia ejewayi
na se o campaign wo sha se
nana bibia bokode
bibia bokosi
ni wasa bibia bisa se wo Kumasi binim se wo Kumasi be fi brada no aba o ban kran kra ba council meeting no ebi wasa so Kumasi back Kumasi te sen nana bi
nyame adaroma Kumasi eye euphoria na build wa o hwe ahokeka wo party for mu many agie pa and it is one of the very good decision just to bring the Congress to Kumasi. Party for National, more Congress, or more conference, and conference here, the biggest party event on our calendar. The New Patriotic Party, it is the biggest party event yearly. Into many party for ground sonum, the preparation or chance did the major program the friend of grounds preparation and cleanup exercise. And on the party for any volunteer groups in Ubibia, Yaba. You made the decision will be persuaded BB to do a crowd share of Kunyaba of the Perkunyasokrana or Yoki or Bois or more shared days we was so be been, yet the public being was so be been. I'm so happy and I'm excited by the energy our party for our exhibited or Ashanti region. Okay,
as we speak, delegates no Mfiase MBI, is that it?
Yes, Namely Adom officially or China and a delegate versus here.
Okay.
Unofficially the EBIP Mukakankaka, I am your more grounds as in.
Okay, but Unam Kumasi Matrisia, who billboards Nibi Waho. Do I bear 3 days in the Matuchon?
Nobody nice in the home say Yawa, some share now what share. Me a woman's hand here, but now have billboards by maybe him or Kumasi Monteswa. No possibly, nobody, and no Brasukra. Bakumi, no crowns, me said they are in the process of removing them. Bakumi, no men who are no crown, say, on the year for them.
And when they're now winning,
oh, it should not be fair for me to mention it. It should not be fair. Nemi say they are in the process of movie. If say Opuni radio and now Opuni radio, it will not be fair for me to mention any name on radio. But as I said, I've seen that commitment. Say billboards no. So largely they have complied with the party's directive. Say yama concentration no enko party no so. Yama concentration enko your policies. Now next year is a year for election. I did a campaign, but a few mono you ready budget and we all it was a very tough day for us in Parliament. And the young concentrating on abiding the idea with the young concentrating on party, rather than our individual political interests. The next year is a year for reorganization and restructuring. So any from polling station, constituency, region, national, presidential aspirant. Next year now we say hit in the room. Then say on our calendar, this is what we have. But for now, ended the year on a very good note, focusing on the government agenda. Say COVID I'm a breach atuye na the bank of Kufuado and na ban ebusua omo hese ebeswa no ntino brebi ebedura e be silent. So I'm happy largely we have complied with the party's directives and it's so beautiful.
Nana, what about COVID? There's been directives from the national executives part on COVID, so vaccinating and Sanawabaho and all the other protocols. Maybe how the national executives and the regional executives or more organizes our conference. A bit me I enforces our directives to the latter because you be a feed other brand kono. Now fe ye frona kasana na bi mo kan say mo de be adwuma so infoni share video say share any ade nyina just say man fa nya adwuma lawyer
nyamia no kwenye ye de be adwuma. In fact el mame fa wo fi de kesi sunka no vaccination no entry, no vaccination no entry. No vaccination no entry. So when vaccinate here, you will not be allowed to enter the conference arena. You see, your political party anywhere, and His Excellency the President from day one, towards the fight against COVID. And as a political party, we are supporting His Excellency the President. No, now buying and the war for. Because none of the Dr. Bika say about 300,000 of the vaccines here by early next year. No, how? And we are leading by example. What we are saying is that yes, sir, Obibia vaccine district health center. Your doses need be na kowo na bra na ba wo de vaccine card atre one find say ye ma room. In fact, yes, I chef baby on bedano. So the accommodation center it will be examined before you assign a room. So we are going to enforce it. And we are in full support. Emma, His Excellency the President, in the fight against COVID-19 and vaccination. Everybody, how our numbers yes, are perform, and it's all because of vaccination. Vaccination and largely and a boy. I may one high kakra, the last time I had a conference was about 2 years ago. Last year, and I had in the so big biano or bar or vaccine. We enyassing your security, your military form or your police form, and they are going to check it. It will say, you will not be allowed entry.
Okay. We know
delegates in Kwan, if you are an invitee, we are for communication.
Yeah.
Because it is our event.
Yeah.
And the media.
And yeah, Benino. Yeah.
More bias, someone more far or more vaccine card and show more. Into media can home military for mobile, soldier for mobile, NADMO for mobile health personnel. The PR can be, and yet only limited to our delegates.
Okay. On vaccination, I don't know if you are one of those who believe in compulsory vaccination. Lawyer.
No dear. My friend from Yamu, any senior, Yayes, Dina, and a car or money of boy, and that Sika, a buyer, Pedia, and Emma Bibra, to me. The Bona just say, a black coffee buy, I buy my free water, I buy my free electricity. In fact, now I buy new my phone now, yet to fee, I buy a cost with a car. Private sector, no crowd, a book. Private sector, no cra or minor. Obu hotel were leaning Kofuna off. More media for you, and then you cannot expand. One come here into events. Young Quay and Waka High in Kunyana canopies, chairs near the other, outdooring, wedding. See, they are bro. It's immediately a woman who pay someone. Me, I support compulsory vaccination. I'm telling you. A man who a car, a man a book. And Anna Ghana and Libya Mataka said, send me a COVID years yet do a mamma should be yano. Yeah, fire wood. And to me, I hate tears, sir. It's a many people who send it, but yeah, here before. Me time I come back COVID should be a no more kind and penny for me or for no member, no more. It be a free. Me busham, a kind. Me COVID, to see, no busham, man. Babushani, me auntie, every moya, me kunu, every moya. So to me, share a papa, debate to a man so. Now, apart from a canon crown, social, your cultural, you did be a affected. I support the compulsory vaccination.
You support compulsory vaccination?
I support it.
Okay. And now, for instance, Sami Jenfi trending a power on Twitter because he's been one person who is campaigning. In fact, Oshe ne DP cry, my body, my choice. And say what is say or can say be say compulsory COVID-19 vaccination. Sami Jenfi request for information from FDA, Ghana Health Service, and Ministry of Health on approval status, reported adverse events, and conditions of authorization of COVID-19 vaccines in line with the Right to Information Act. So what say will be pushing this agenda. I'm for so cry raising issues of human rights. Ebia me religion and for us happen so and so ebia bibisa. I mean, how do you gel the two together, Council?
Sir, minim Angela minia Samajian Fiba. But in the part to Mankas, I know a lot of people have also come. They disagree with him, and as well.
Yeah.
Because who say there are some parliamentarians and they disagree with him. They disagree with him because you see, COVID no a fight, a national fight against the COVID. It was not an individual fight. I mean, not because a human right, individual right. It was the entire. It was a national issue. In fact, it became a global matter. It was a global pandemic. And now what they affect you you. And that's why I wish I would them one be a woman. And this is I wish I would them for anybody to preach human rights, that my body, my choice. That argument for me is totally flawed. When Uwakunya Sayan would be affected in Pimpamano. Then you sit in your room and say, hey, my body, my choice. What kind of slogan is that? My body, my choice. When Unya would your Kubi. Yana ya company say Obuho Binya or no dear. Why a grandpa who symptoms, but not what the affect will be also underlying health condition. Now bones in the panda top no co. Sabrena, na COVID Jema, near my lockdown. Na in Shiano. Ah, it's a bene drubeba, and in your papa. Sabrena and could be his argument now. And you want to, if you say more high, and somebody is fighting against what
Council Section 22 of the Public Health Act 2012. I'm trying to retrieve it, but I know it makes vaccination compulsory. Me penankama kainati miabwa enkomi but if there's an act like that makes it compulsory, then I don't know why anybody would want to.
Look, I don't mean but
no.
Even the Public Health Act now making vaccination compulsory. Look, let's be rational. Let's be human-centered. You're showing me COVID, and I wish you. Hey, you're refusing what they are COVID, but I mean, you don't be a deal power. It may still be cancers now. You forget about the laws. See, they put it down. Be a rational person. Say, I dear COVID, I beg kind of for a woo, be a human, won't you mean, won't you actually? I don't want to share and near blue near the boom. Why? Sana Ghana air culture. Would you two more double doom your car? Sorry, then I shut your camera outdooring. Yeah, huggy. You within now be now got my body, my choice. CJ, let's move to another matter.
Human rights in the infant because it's also very important.
No, Mrs. Human rights is necessary. No, but
Nanabi, I my religious belief say men what panic.
Just believe in necessary. And it's all look, India, Sana vaccine by no more. After almost some people were even throwing away their gods. That their gods could not protect them, and they were rushing to get the vaccine. At the point of vaccine, no one why then. It's religion, not necessary. Religion is rational. You follow religion just like that. Religion is necessary. Culture is necessary. And it's what you call
Nanabi my friends here na enja ona koyo adwuma na organizer no niam akoyi mugu so
nyame adaroma nyame acha me kwa de wadwuma pa de bia metaka bedi wanum wo ya de wa ho brase wa ho kama suma wo suma nipa enyo bia na bepa wasam de balaji obonsa afino wa na adwuma minia samya wuku ewo ho ya bona twidom ene naturally it is flowing. Men preme who back okra. A Jumana Namusha me. The men child the Oba and I, your party pulling in an ya Kambuma, your grounds and operation working. So for me,
and it's still no Yamin Saum.
Oh, Yamia Dumois. I am the next national organizer.
Henry Nanabachi.
I am the next national. Oh, dear. And I will your campaign manager. And I think we'll win.
Nanabi, my friends here, we wish you well. Why? Nanabi, National Youth Organizer. But for Krata, I don't need chat of very nothing.
Republic Press, or say,
Krata being patro.
Republic Press. Krata being
Republic Press. Menasi.
Bargaining in dilemma. Torn between majority and minority. Naturally say Republic Press. Republic Press. Republic Press. CJ, sorry. Husband sues wife over ugly baby.
Now husband on na friend is saying husband monfa kuru no picture answer me.
Hey, Republic Press story no of page 14.
Monfa kuru no picture answer me.
Hey.
Auntie one wo see oba no say omoba no ho etan no.
Debi wa fa eyama story na da ho sa na unya bia wo kwan ya wo beti ase.
Na wo tisa you are 5 na wo ne oba wo a wo say akura no ho etan na akura no ngosa hwan.
But CJ na you are the one ya fe emiano
Bafo Messi wa here. Messi. Bafo. Messi. Bafo Messi. It's fire! Where's Bafo Metras be you ano be you. O wan sam na wa be you ano be you. Magwazi. Bibi aboko.
Matefo hwe me same.
Na kwesi wa fa honto so. Fa honto so na. Oda so o my ha. Me ba cho mama Facebook me hwa ayiwa 05. Yeah, ayiwa ada so. Yeah, 05. Obed kwesi mafo.
Me no wa ba same na me. Fanboy o. Obi an kaza fi.
Kwesi enti wo no oba wo na later abofra no uhu no na say abofra no ne ho etan to wasi oba na da bi abofra no nka won say wan
me embasa because me ya me wan ho yefe me so ho yefe enti no na oba ne be chirem sa kwala no ho yefa no yeso oba ne chirem ebi obema na ye fanboy e na kwala no ti o ebi obema no ye fanboy to 7 what I say e na kwala no hwa kwala no so
na obema no ahwe ne nchi
say enti no nti ase because ebi obema no ye fanboy to 7
kwesi man kan ye kwa che me wa
kai comment ko ina se
maybe since I say CJ why today why? Adom Sports page 112 so na poso faster than my CBG we stand with you Vodafone together we can access bank more than banking latex from your partner for a line for madam man dey bonkata na poso near the break Adom Sports page 1 what I'm saying
no I was about who you fetch but so who you fetch but
the case ampa Sawa. I saw ban who fetch him.